if I have the Van de Graaff, and I have the Van de Graaff here, and let's suppose the Van de Graaff is positive. I don't know whether it's positive or negative. Let's suppose it's going to use the one over there. And I'm going to stand here on the ground, Walter Lewin. What is going to happen with me? Through induction, the electrons being sucked out of the Earth and coming up because they want to go close to the positive charge. So I will become negatively charged. What will the field lines do? Oh, they will be extremely complicated. Very complicated. But something like this maybe. Maybe something like this. Some may come out here. Some may end up on my neck here. Some may go here. Like so. Very complicated field configurations. But I want to probe that field. Somehow, a little. Get a feeling for what that field is like. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to put a charged balloon. There you see the balloon. It's a conductor. I'm going to put a charged balloon and put it here, say. Well, if it is a positively charged balloon, it will take off in that direction. Right? The force is always tangential to the field lines. It will abandon the field lines. It won't stay on the field lines. There's a lot of damping on the balloon. That's why I chose a balloon. So it will move relatively slowly, and it will ultimately maybe add up on my head right here. Once it adds up on my head there, so it comes in maybe like this, now it will get the negative charge from my head, and so it will become immediately negatively charged, and so the force now will reverse and will be in this direction, tangential to this field line. And so it will go back. When it hits the Van de Graaff again, it will get positive charge. Reverses polarity, and it will go back. And so it will bounce back and forth between me and the Van de Graaff, and that gives you some rough feeling of what this field configuration is about, although I want to remind you that the charge does not follow exactly field lines. So I'm going to sit here, and I will be part of this. That's probably going to be positive. I will automatically become negative. There's nothing I have to do. All I turn is the Van de Graaff, and we have to put a little bit of charge on that balloon. It will probably do that by itself, but I can always give it a little kick so that it goes to the Van de Graaff. There it goes. Oh, I had some... Of course, my glasses are a good insulator, so I better take my glasses off so that every time it hits me, changes polarity. So this is a way you can do physics and have fun at the same time. See you Monday.